In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Kalodata with TikTok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect during the sign-in process, so you can connect your TikTok account quickly and safely. First, open your browser and head to Kalodata's official website, then navigate to the login or sign-up page. Make sure you're on the real domain. Look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and double-check the spelling of the URL. If you landed here through a search engine, be cautious with sponsored links and always verify you're on the official site. Once you're on the login or sign-up page, you'll typically see a few ways to continue, including email or password fields and social login options. Next, look for a button that says Log in with TikTok, Sign up with TikTok, TikTok OAuth, or Connect TikTok. The exact wording can vary, but it will clearly reference TikTok. This option is often grouped alongside other social sign-in buttons, so scroll a bit if you don't see it immediately. On mobile, it may appear below the standard login fields or inside a collapsible section. When you find it, click the TikTok option to begin the connection. At this point, you'll be redirected to TikTok's secure sign-in page. Confirm the address bar shows TikTok's official domain before entering anything. If TikTok recognizes your session, it might skip straight to a permission screen. Otherwise, enter your TikTok username or email and your password. Depending on your security settings, TikTok may ask you to complete a verification step, like a one-time code. This all happens on TikTok's side for your protection. Review the permissions Kalodata is requesting. These typically allow Kalodata to access necessary information to connect your account, and then approve to continue. Remember, you should only enter your TikTok credentials on TikTok's official page, not on Kalodata's form fields. After approving, you'll be redirected back to Kalodata, and you should be logged in automatically with your TikTok connection. If Kalodata asks for a few final details to complete your profile, follow the on-screen prompts. If you don't see the TikTok button at all, try refreshing the page, switching browsers, or temporarily disabling strict content blockers. If you run into looping or loading issues, a private browsing window or clearing your cache can help. That's it. You visited Kalodata's official login page, chose the TikTok sign-in option, and completed the TikTok credentials prompt securely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Kalodata with your TikTok account connected.